Can you really trust your home's security to just any camera? It's a scary thought, right? What if I told you there's a way to keep your home safe? The SV3C security camera is for homeowners and families like you. It's a wireless outdoor camera that solves the problem of keeping your home secure. This camera is designed to provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your home is being monitored and protected at all times. This camera has some amazing specs. It's got a 2K dual lens for super clear video, which is essential for identifying any potential intruders or suspicious activity. The 360 degrees pan feature lets you see everything around the camera, giving you a complete view of your surroundings. It's powered by a 3W solar panel, so you don't need to worry about batteries running out or having to recharge them constantly. The 64G storage means you can store lots of video footage, which is useful for reviewing and analyzing any incidents that may have occurred. The two-way audio feature lets you talk to people near the camera, which can be useful for communicating with delivery personnel or warning off potential intruders. And with 120-day loop, you can record continuously for months, providing you with a comprehensive record of any activity around your home. Imagine using this camera in your daily life. You're at work and you see someone approaching your front door. You can talk to them through the camera, asking them who they are and what they want. Or you're on vacation and you see a package being delivered. You can ask a neighbor to pick it up for you, or even instruct the delivery person to leave it in a safe location. You can also use the camera to keep an eye on your kids or pets when they're playing outside, or to monitor any outdoor areas that are prone to vandalism or theft. The possibilities are endless, and the sense of security and control that this camera provides is invaluable. In addition to its many features, the SV3C security camera is also weather resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures, making it perfect for outdoor use. The camera's night vision capabilities also ensure that you can see what's going on around your home even in the dark. And with its compact and discreet design, you can place it anywhere without drawing attention to it. The camera's motion detection feature also sends alerts to your phone or email, so you can stay informed about any suspicious activity. Overall, I think this camera is great. The best things are the clear video and the solar power, which make it a low-maintenance and reliable solution for home security. One downside is that it can be a bit tricky to set up, but the instructions are clear and the customer support is helpful. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great way to keep your home safe, and the peace of mind that it provides is well worth the investment. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich security camera, I would definitely recommend the SV3C security camera. The link to buy this camera is in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. I'm always on the lookout for new and innovative products to share with you, and I appreciate your feedback and support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.